So I noticed there's been a lot of people asking about, seeing a Silencerco 22-Sparrow on a Ruger 1022. I just barely got my Sparrow the other day, and I happen to have a Ruger 1022 threaded. So I'm going to show you a demo between a few different rounds. We've got the Federal bulk pack, the 330 round target ones. Those are just copper. Those are all lead. We've got the 550 round bulk pack, copper jacket. Then we've got some 40 grain Aguila Subsonics. And then last will be the Remington Subsonics. And then just for kicks, I'll show a 17 HM2 with a suppressor as well. So let's get started. So the first one up is the Federal 333 rounders, unsuppressed. These next 5 are the Federal bulk pack 555s. They're not happy today. Let's jump now to the Subsonics. First up, we've got the Aguila. Next are the Remington. Now we'll do the same ones, same order, but suppressed. Oh, my camera is about to die. Hopefully I get it. Federal target. Next is the Federal bulk pack. Next up are the Subsonic Aguila. Failed to cycle the action on that one. Next one is in. And the last 5 should be the Remingtons. And last but not least, let's shoot a couple through the 17 Mach 2. This is a modified 1022 barrel swap heavy bolt. Snag the suppressor. It's not terribly hot after just 20 rounds, so go ahead and grab it off of here. So do 5 rounds unsuppressed. Safety on. and 5 rounds suppressed. And that'll do it. Hope you enjoyed.